In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to read SellerAmp data. If you're sourcing products and want quick, confident decisions, SellerAmp's panels give you exactly what you need, if you know what to look for. Let's walk through it in a clear, practical way. Start with the Quick Info panel. The first number to check is profit. This is the money you'll actually earn per item after Amazon fees are already deducted, so it's your net profit before your own overhead. As a simple rule of thumb, a profit of at least $3 is good, and $5 or more is even better. If your time is valuable or the item needs more prep, aim toward the higher end. Next, look at ROI, your return on investment. ROI compares your profit to your buying cost, showing how efficiently your money is working. A 30% ROI or higher is good, while 50% or more is better. This helps you compare opportunities across different price points. A $5 profit might be fantastic at a $10 buy cost, but not nearly as compelling at a $40 buy cost. Now check max cost. This is the highest price you should pay to meet your chosen profit and ROI targets. Treat it as a ceiling. Only buy if your cost is less than or equal to the max cost. If your supplier's price is higher, either renegotiate, find a different supplier, or pass on the deal. After that, review BSR, or Best Sellers Rank. BSR tells you how fast a product sells in its category. Lower is better. As a simple guide, a rank from 1 to 50,000 indicates a fast seller, 50 to 150,000 is okay, and above 150,000 tends to be slow. Make sure you compare BSR only within the same category, because ranks aren't comparable across different categories. You'll also see whether listings are FBA or FBM. FBA means Amazon handles the shipping. FBM means the seller ships it themselves. More FBA competition usually makes the buy box more competitive, so expect tighter pricing and faster price changes when there are many FBA sellers. Finally, check estimated sales. This is a monthly estimate and should be paired with BSR and competition to form the full picture. As a rule, 10 to 30 sales per month is slow, 30 to 100 is good, and over 100 is fast. Remember, it's an estimate, not a promise, so use it to gauge demand rather than predict exact volume. Put it all together. Scan profit, ROI, and max cost. Confirm BSR within the same category. Note FBA versus FBM competition, and validate with estimated sales. With this workflow, you'll move from guesswork to data-driven sourcing in seconds.